Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I have an Aliexpress small haul. But I always open these on camera, and I encourage you to do the same. I had some trouble on Aliexpress, and because of pictures and video, some of it they did not come out well, but have it on video. Oh, good. Look at this. Mardi Gras is coming soon. And I thought this was hilarious, these little gnomes. So my dolls are going to be sporting some dresses made out of that. How cute is that? All right, let's open. Drop some stuff on the floor there. Let's open this package ever so carefully. I'm going to open from down here. I know what it is. If you watch my channel, you probably do too. Let's open carefully because I'm not sure if she's alone. Yep, she's alone. Okay. I bought this doll because I did not have one with the hot yellow hair. I have all the other colors in these dolls, but this one. And I'm getting ready to do a collab of face-ups and clothing for these cheap Blythe dolls. When I say cheap, well, that's pretty much what I mean. They're not bad dolls. I pay less than $10 for these on Aliexpress. If you're looking for them, just put Blythe dolls in the search box, and they cost $8.99 plus $1 shipping and handling. Look at the eyelashes. They have really gotten cheaper with those, but I changed those out. But look at the colors. They have, I really like the eye chips on these dolls. I thought I had a name for her, but I think I'm going to change it. I think I'm going to call her Canary. Isn't she cute? So stay tuned for the face-up on her. I've done several face-ups on these less expensive Blythes, and they turn out really nice. They turn at the waist. Their arms go out and up and down, and their legs are bend and click. They wear Barbie shoes, the high heel Barbie shoes. They have a much smaller body than the other Blythes. I love them. And their hair's real decent too. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.